Hello everyone, this is Jasmine from fastbundle. I'm excited to introduce you to a handy new feature we offer, the countdown feature for our bundles. Today, I'll walk you through how to set up a countdown for your bundles, making it easier to create a sense of urgency for your customers. So let's get started. You have to go to your fastbundle admin panel, then navigate to Bundles section. Choose the specific bundle you want to apply the countdown to. Once you're on the Bundles Edit page, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, you'll find an option labeled Set the countdown for this bundle. Check the box next to it. After enabling the countdown, you can now set an end date and end time for your countdown. Don't forget to save the changes you've made. Now it's time you see how it looks on your products page. Go to the product page and refresh it. And voila, there's your countdown. One crucial thing to keep in mind is that when the countdown reaches 0, we don't automatically stop displaying the bundle. If you want to hold showing the offer, you'll need to set an end time for your bundle itself. However, there's a little twist here. Our bundles, which are set up as a bundle as a product, or what we call them as BAPs, which means they can't have an end time. So, to set an end time for your bundle offer, you have to first uncheck the box for creating a BAP from the bundle. Then, you can set an end date and end time for your bundle offer. This way, your bundle won't be displayed to your customers after the selected date and time, giving you full control over the offer's availability. Please note that this countdown feature is available for all types of bundles except the frequently bought together bundles. And that's it. If you have any more questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support team at support@fastbundle.co. We're here to help you make the most of our powerful bundle features. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great one.